Hi, my name's Aiza and today we're going to do planting! We are going to plant a tomato and we're going to just cut it. We're going to take the seeds out, put it in some soil. We're going to water it a bit and then it will finally grow after a few weeks. Let's cut the tomato. Get your mommy and daddy to cut the tomato. Now we're gonna just take out the seeds and put it in this pot of soil. These little yellow things are the seeds of the tomatoes. I have a cup of soil that we're gonna put the seeds in. Let's make this hole. I think that's deep enough. Oh no. Put it in there. There you go, we have one seed. Now let's do this one, just a tiny seed. And you go. Now let's do this. Now we're gonna cover the seeds. There we go. Now we're going to water it. Now we're going to wait for a few days and it'll be into a tomato plant. That's how you make a tomato plant. Remember, always subscribe and remember, be happy. Bye!